Similarly, postal charges have been raised considerably, each of them resulting in a revenue increase of rupees 400 crores to rupees 500 crores of rupees full stop. What can be the effect of all these increases? Question mark. Then there are administered prices which also continue to be administered upwards always and not downwards full stop. What are the prices administered for? Question mark. In order to see that the public sector enterprises produce revenues and increase budgetary revenues full stop. It is quite clear that every step that is being taken like this must result in increase in prices full stop. Further, Mr. Finance Minister says that tax revenues continue to display buoyancy full stop. This is the one statement in regard to which I can have no difference of opinion full stop. It is showing buoyancy full stop. But there again, I would like to warn the finance minister that the buoyancy is not going to continue at the same rate and in the same manner that it has been in the past full stop. At least if it does so, I shall be very happy full stop. But the chances of its being happening are small full stop. He says the foreign exchange reserves are at comfortable level full stop. I am very glad he thinks so. He may even say that they are comfortable full stop. If they are at comfortable level, then there is certainly going to be greater drain upon it because steps being taken to stimulate exports further and so on and so forth full stop. What I think the balance of payments position is precarious and as he himself admits is one of the issues which causes him concern and quite rightly so full stop. I would like to draw his attention to the fact that the imports have been liberalized and over liberalized at a stage when rupee is for all practical purposes devalued full stop. Imports therefore must cost very much more and increase the chain of limited foreign exchange reserves full stop. Liberalization of imports is necessary but only in highly selective areas full stop. That was not done full stop. I think in their initial enthusiasm they have overdone it full stop. The second point of concern was about the rise of government expenditure full stop. On that count, what has he done? Question mark. Nothing is done full stop. On the other hand, governmental expenditure has gone up and will go up now further because of the pay commissions recommendations which government has already implemented full stop. There are other things which are beyond his control like the natural calamities which must be attended to and substantial sums of money will have to be provided full stop. I hope that the finance minister realizes that full stop. For the next year, he has provided certain amount in his anticipatory budget about rupees 500 crores.